construction site with friend. Step 2. Realize a trail of weight. Step 1. Go to construction site with friend. Step 2. Realize a trail of white clay leads to cement mixer. Follow it. Step 4. Realize there is an unconscious body at. Realize friend is in cement mixer. Step 7. Follow trail of white seal blood to half sealed wall. Step 8. Climb in. Step 9. Hear trap gate seal behind you. Step 10. New owners hear noises through walls.